Hello programmers, today learn about linked list. A linked list is a fundamental linear data structure where elements are not stored at contiguous memory location. The data and a reference to the next node in the sequence. Key components of linked list: nodes, data, and next pointer. Head, a pointer to the first node of the list. Tail, the last node of the list. Operation of linked list: first insertion, deletion, and traversals. Types of linked list: singly list, doubly linked list, and circular linked list. Linked list: a singly linked list. Doubly linked list. Circular linked list. Code in C++. Theory-based questions. What is a queue? Explain its FIFO property. What are the basic components of a queue? What are the types of a queue? Explain the need for using a queue in DSA. Thanks for watching. Programmers, like, share or subscribe.